Good morning students, welcome to CET classes. So last class we discussed about the sets, relation and function, that is first session. Now the session 2. Now last class alli question number 1 to 18 tanaka discuss madiddo. Now we discuss from question number 19. If y equals mod x plus mod x minus 1, then for x less than or equal to 0, y is equal to x less than or equal to 0. That is the main condition. Less than or equal to 0 means what? We have to choose the value of x. It is negative, means minus x, not positive. Okay. Mod x means plus or minus x. We have to take only negative because of condition less than or equal to 0. Therefore, y equals mod x means minus x plus mod of x minus 1, negative of x minus 1, minus of x minus 1. So now simplify minus x plus into minus, minus x plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus 1. Simplify first positive 1, minus x, minus 2x, 1 minus 2x, option C. That's all. Suppose if they ask x greater than 0, then what? Then mod x means we have to take plus x, mod of x minus 1 to take positive because mod here x greater than 0. Therefore, x minus 1 had 2x minus 1, then the option A for the condition x greater than 0. ನೀವು CETಗೆ ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Suppose x equals 0, then what happens? X equals 0 means 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1. Let us take question number 20. Yes, if A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the number of proper subsets of A. We have to calculate proper subsets of A. The total number of subset is given by 2 power n. Here, n means number of elements present in the set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is the total number of subsets, that is 2 power 5 means 32. But here total number of proper subset, we have formula, it is 2 power n minus 2. So 2 power 5 minus 2, 2 power 5, 32 minus 2, that is 30. So option D. Next, we shall move on to question number 21. So what is 21? If A and B have n number of elements in common, then the number of elements common to A cross B and B cross A. Here, both A and B have n number of elements. Therefore, A cross B and B cross A is n into n, that is n square. This is a short trick. So, n square. Option D. Next, we shall move on to question number 22. If A cross B equals AX, AY, BX, BY, find A and B. So, first A. A means here these are the ordered pairs. First element of the ordered pairs belongs to set A, first set. Second element of the ordered pair belongs to second set. Therefore, A equals first A, next to B. Then what about the second set? B equals second element of the ordered pair X, Y. So, X, Y. So, A equals AB, B equals XY. Option A. Next question, 23. If P equals 1, 2, then the set P cross P cross P, that is power set. So, P cross P cross P means simple. So, P equals 1, 2, P cross P equals what? First 1 is there, 1, 1, 1, triple 1, then double 1, 1, 1, 2, next 2, 1, 2, 1, next double 1, 2, 1, 1. So, triple 1, double 1, 3 times, next single 1 means 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, single 1, next no 1 means 2, 2, 2. Option is option A. Question number 24. The domain and range of the following real function f of x equals mod x. Domain back and range. So f of x equals mod x. Domain means here real functions. So means this is the domain. The domain is real number. Real number means R. So domain is D. Simple. R. Real number. Next to range. Range means f of x equals minus mod x. Mod x means only positive. Minus mod x means only negative. Only negative means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to what? Minus infinity. This is the range. So then it will start from minus infinity 0. This is the range. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. First to minus infinity, the highest number is 0. So 0 including, because equals there. Therefore big bracket, minus infinity, small bracket. This is the range. Minus infinity, 0. The domain is R. So option A. Question number 25. The domain and range of the following real functions f of x equals 9 minus x square. This is simple amount CT. Okay, f of x equals 9 minus x square. 9 minus x square equals 0. Solve. 9 equals x square equals 9. So x equals plus or minus 3. So means lies between minus 3 and 3. This is the domain. Big bracket means closed interval. Minus 3, 3. So minus 3, 3, big bracket. Option C and option A. Next range. What is range? The range is always greater than 0. Therefore 9 minus x square greater than 0. 9 greater than x square less than 9. So x less than 3. Means it lies between 0 to 3. So this is the range. Or it is direct question. You must know the answer. What? The domain is minus 3, 3 and range is 0, 3. So the option is minus 3, 3. Minus 3, 3 and range is 0, 3. Next we shall move on to relation and function. Some basic concepts. Okay. R is said to be relation. R is said to be relation from set A to set B. Set A is there to set B. If R is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B, that is the definition of relation. So relation agbeku andre from set A to B agbeku andre R is a subset of A cross B. If R is a subset of A cross B, then R is said to be relation. Then what is empty relation? A relation R on a set is called empty relation if it has no element. So set alli element illa andre this is called empty relation. Okay. Next example beko tagobodu. Example what? Dice. When a dice thrown one time 7 appears. One dice alli 7 ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore it is called empty relation. Okay. Next universal relation. Relation R on set A. One set beke beku, that is a set A, is called universal relation. If each element of A related to every element of A, that is called universal relation. It is described as A cross A because only one set A. If it is from A to B, then it is A cross B. Okay. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation means relation R on set A is said to be reflexive if AA belongs R. AA means reflexive, means repeat. AA. Suppose 1 idre 1 1, 2 idre 2 2, 3 idre 3 3 irbek idre, that is called reflexive relation. Next is what? Symmetric. Symmetric relation. Relation R on set A is said to be symmetric if AB belongs R, then BA belongs R. AB idre BA irle bek. If A equals 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let us take R. R equals 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. So it is a reflexive relation. Why? 1 is there, 1 1, 2 is there, 2 2, 3 is there, 3 3. Therefore, it is a reflexive relation. Suppose 3 3, no 3 3, then it is a not a reflexive relation because 1 has reflective, 2 has reflected, but 3 has not reflected. So 3 3 is not there. Therefore, it is not a reflexive. Right? So 3 3. Now it is reflexive. If you take 1 2, 1 2 is there. What is the reverse? 1 2 reverse is 2 1. So 2 1 must be belongs to R. 1 2 irbeku, 1 2 idre reverse 2 1 irlebeku, idre symmetric relation. Next, transitive. The relation R on set A is said to be transitive if R is transitive if AB and BC belongs R. AB and BC belongs R, then BB repeat remaining AC, then AC belongs R. ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ BB ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟು AC ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. Then if a relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then that relation is called equivalence relation. So equivalence relation means it is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. These are the basic concepts of relation and types of relations. Question 26. Which of the following is reflexive? They given A 1 2 3 4. 1 is there, 1 1, here back 1 1, 1 1 1, 2 2 2, 3 3 3, 4 4 4. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ 4 4 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ದಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮೀನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 means option B. Question number 27. Let n be the set of all natural numbers and the relation are defined on n. Defined on n such that r equals xy, y equals to x, xy belongs to n. Both x and y belongs to n. Okay. What is the domain and range? So domain means suppose f x to y, the first set, this is called domain, and the second set is called codomain. Okay, here it is this set of natural numbers means n is the domain, and codomain is also n, but we have to find out range. The domain is n, okay, domain n, the range. What about range? Substitute here y equals to x, y equals to x, put x equals natural number, domain, x equals 1, y equals 2 1s are 2, x equals 2, y equals 4, these are the range. So 1 2 3, that is domain, that is natural number n, and 2 4 6, these are also natural number, but these are the even natural number 2 4 6 8 10 dot dot dot. Therefore the range is even natural number. So option A, domain n, set of even natural number, that is option A. Question number 28. A relation R in the set A is called universal relation. Definition: universal relation ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? on set A to A itself. Therefore R equals A cross A. Direct question, level 1. Question 29. A relation R in the set A equals 1 2 3 dot 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 up to 14 defined as R equals xy such that 3x minus y equals 0. This is either symmetric, reflexive, transitive or none. First check, they given A equals 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. The 14 is the highest number here. So give, so 3x minus y equals 0 means y equals 3x. First x equal, we have to give 1, minimum number is 1, maximum number 14. X equals 1, x equals 1, y equals 3 1s are 3, x equals 2, 2 3s are 6, x equals 3, 3 3s are 9, x equals 4, 4 3s are 12, x equals 5, 5 3s are 15. 15 is not present in the set A, therefore don't write 15. These are the relation R. Okay, and we have to find out this relation is either reflexive, symmetric or transitive. What? So here 1 is there, no 1 1, no 2 2, therefore reflexive. Hagalla, it is not reflexive. Second one, symmetric. Check marana. So symmetric. Symmetric means what? 1 3 is there, 1 3 reverse, 3 1 illa. So therefore symmetric agalla. In third one, transitive. Transitive means AB, BC. AB and BC belongs R. If then, repeat, BB, drop, bitpidi, mikkidu, AC belongs R. Irbek, check, 1 3, second, first year. 3 3 repeat, remaining 1 9. 1 9 is absent, therefore it is not transitive. It is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive, means option D, that is none. Question number 30. The relation R, in R is also relation, the given set is also real number. Okay, so R is a set of real numbers defined as R equals AB such that A less than or equal to B is. This is direct question. You must know this answer. A less than or equal to B antakshana, this must be reflexive agutte, transitive agutte, option D. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ. ಸರ್ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೌದಪ್ಪ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ನೋಡಿ. So the given set R, A less than or equal to B. Give example. So 1 1 1, if you take 1 1, reflexive AA 1 1, 1 less than or equal to 1, less agalla but equal agutte, therefore it is right, therefore R is reflexive. Next take symmetric. If you take symmetric, so 1 2, 1 2 belongs R, reverse it. 1 2 means what? 1 less or equal to 2. Reverse it. Reverse means 2 1. 2 less than or equal to 1. No chance. Therefore, less agalla, symmetric, no. Next, transitive. 2 3 belongs R. Then 1 1 2 2 repeat, drop, remaining 1 3. Check. According to condition, A less or equal to B. Here 1 less or equal to 2, right? 2 less or equal to 3, correct? Then first two, last two, 1 less or equal to 3. It is true. Therefore, it is transitive. So reflexive, okay. Transitive, okay. Symmetric is not. Therefore, it is both reflexive and transitive. E type question bandre A less than or equal to B means it is reflexive, no symmetric and transitive. Nenpidkonbidi. A less than or equal to B square bandre it is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Yaudu agalla. Suppose A less than or equal to B cube bandre it is also neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. ಯಾವ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಎ ಲೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ಎ ಲೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನೈದರ್, ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎ ಲೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಎ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎ ಲೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೈದರ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ನಾರ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನಾರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಟಿಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಲುಕ್ Suppose if you take a fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 2, according to condition a less than or equal to b square. So 1 means 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. Half, this is quarter. So half is not less than, therefore reflexive agalla, not reflexive. Next take a symmetric. Symmetric means what? 1 2 1 2, then reverse. What is reverse? 2 1. Check. According to condition a less than or equal to b square, 1 less than or equal to 4, and then 2 less than or equal to 1. No way. So chance illa. Therefore 2 less than or equal to 1 agalla. Therefore symmetric agalla, then transitive agalla. Therefore these type a less than or equal to b square, a less than or equal to b cube bandre, they are neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive. You must remember. Nenpidkombidi. Next, question number 32. What is 32? The function f r to r given by f of x equals 2x is. What is one function? What is onto function? And what is surjective? What is bijective? And what is injective? Yes. F a to b. F a to b is said to be one function if different objects have different images. I will explain by figure 1 2 3. Here a b c. So this one f of 1 equals a, f of 2 equals b, f of 3 equals c. These are the objects 1 2 3, different objects a b c, different image. Different objects have different image, therefore it is 1 1. One function is called as injective function. Next take onto function. For all y belongs second set b such that f of x equals y, then x belongs to a. If x belongs to a, then it is onto function. Every element of b is an image of some element of a. That is the definition of onto function. For onto function, for problems, we have one more property is there. This is domain, this is codomain. Second set is called codomain. The codomain elements AB. This is codomain, elements of codomain, elements. Range, range means what? Again AB, this is a range. So range is also AB. So elements of codomain equals range, then it is a onto function. This onto function is also called as surjective function. If it is both 1 1 and onto, it is called bijective function. Okay, I'll give one more example. Suppose 1 2 3 a b c. So 1 2, this one, it is not onto function because every element of second set b is not an image, because c is not an image of any element of a, therefore it is not onto function. Elements of codomain equals a b c. Range, range andre yavudakke image agidyo, this is called range. So ab. Observe, elements of codomain not equals to range, therefore it is not a onto function. Question number 32. The function f r to r given by f of x equals 2x is what? Simple nodi, 2x idre linear. If it is linear, kannu muchkondo, it is 1 1 function. So 2x is there, so 1 1, it is 1 1 agogutte. In onto on check madkodi. How? Onto means f of x means y. So y equals to x. Find out x. X equals y by 2. Fraction. Fraction belongs to x domain for set. So fraction belongs to R. Therefore, it is both 1 1 and onto option C. So same question, but the set is changed. That is f n to n. It is 1 1 or not onto. Check. Again, f of x equals 2x linear. Kandu muchkand. It is a 1 1. ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಆನ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಗೈನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ y equals 2x, find out x equals y by 2. Y by 2 is a fraction. X means domain. Here the domain is n. Fraction does not belongs to n. If y equals 1, then 1 by 2 is a fraction, does not belongs to n. Therefore, it is not onto. It is 1 1 but not onto. So 1 1 but not onto, option D. So depending upon this set, R to R idre, it is both 1 1 and onto. N to n idre, it is 1 1 but not onto. Suppose Z to Z idre, F Z to Z, Z means what? Integer, set of integers. ಆಗ ಆಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 1 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ onto ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು Z ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ Z ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 1 ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ onto. 34. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ 1 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಸ್ n to n. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಎಫ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 1 1. ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಕೊಡಿ, y equals 1, x equals 2, y equals 2 square 4, 3, then it is 3 square 9. Observe 1 2 3 natural number, that is domain. 1 4 9 means perfect square ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. So different objects have different image, therefore 1 1. Next take onto. So check it out here. This is the range 1 4 9. So 1 4 9 range, codomain n is not equals to perfect square, therefore it is not onto. Otherwise ಈಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ವೈ or plus or minus root y. If y equals 3, root 3 does not belongs to n. Therefore, it is 1 1 but not onto function. Next question 35. The function f z to z is given by, here only n to n, here z to z. So f of x equals x square. So ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಝಡ್ ಟು ಝಡ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಆರ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ 1 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1, ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 1, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ -1, ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ -1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 1. ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 2 3, ನೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಬಟ್ ಯರ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ is, if real number is there, then you have to give plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 ಕೊಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ 1 1. So object 1 minus 1 different but image same. So different object of same image, therefore it is not 1 1. 1 1 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Let us take onto. Onto means if y equals x square, so x equals root y. If y equals 3 or 5 or 6, then it is a real number, but here they given z, therefore does not belongs to z, therefore it is not neither 1 1 nor onto. So neither 1 1 nor onto, option B. 6. The modulus function f of x equals mod x, nothing but y equals mod x is what? mod x ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೈದರ್ 1 1 ನಾರ್ ಆಂಟು. ಇದು 1 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಂಟು ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಎಸ್, ಎಫ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ mod x. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1, ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ mod 1 1, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ -1 ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ mod ಆಫ್ -1 1. different object have same image, therefore it is not 1 1. Next, onto ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, because let us take range. Here you are giving positive number, negative number, whatever, but the range is only positive because mod x means only positive, no negative. Here 1 minus 1 dot dot dot, that is a codomain, second set, but the range is only positive number, therefore real number is not equals to positive real number, therefore it is not onto function. Next question, the function f r to r given by f of x equals 3 minus 4x is 1 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ onto ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಚೆಕ್. ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, 3 minus 4x ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 1 1 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 1 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ r to r. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ onto function. For onto function, y equals 3 minus 4x, shift 4x equals 3 minus y, x equals 3 minus y by 4 belongs to first set, that is domain. X belongs to fraction belongs to r, therefore it is a onto function, means it is a 1 1 and also onto. Next one, 38. r equals a equals r minus 3, b equals r minus 1. What is the meaning? Set of all real number except 3. Set of all real number except 1. Okay. Next here, f a to b means a, first set b. f of x equals x minus 2 by x minus 3. Simple. 1 1 agutta, linear agutte. So it is 1 1. Then for check for onto, f of x means y. y equals x minus 2 by x minus 3. Cross multiply, xy minus 3y equals x minus 2. x alla one kade shift, xy minus x equals minus 2 plus 3y. Okay, then find x common, y minus 1, here positive, 3y, next minus 2. Find out x equals 3y minus 2 by 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. So this one belongs to first set belongs to first set, that is a. y minus 1 ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ y 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, therefore the given r minus 1 means set of all real number except 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ y ನಲ್ಲಿ, so y is not equals to 1, therefore belongs to a. Next question, 39. What is 39? Let L be the set of all lines in a plane and R be the relation in L defined as R equals L1, L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. The concept is L1 perpendicular to L2, then R is relation symmetric, reflexive, transitive or none. Let us take set of perpendicular lines. Suppose L1 first line, this is second line. L1 perpendicular to L2, L2 perpendicular to L1, therefore symmetric, okay, but not reflexive. Why? L1 which is perpendicular to L1, no way, chance illa, therefore reflexive agalla. Transitive, L1 perpendicular to L2, then take third line, this is L3, L2 perpendicular to L3, L1 perpendicular to L2, L2 perpendicular to L3, then for L1, L3, they are not perpendicular, they are parallel, therefore transitive. It is not a transitive, therefore it is only symmetric, so option A. So set of perpendicular line is example for symmetric, neither reflexive nor transitive. Suppose ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ set of all parallel lines ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಇದು perpendicular, set of all parallel lines, then L1 parallel to L1, reflexive. If L1, this is L2, L1 parallel to L2, L2 parallel to L1, symmetric, okay. Then transitive, take third line, L3, L1 perpendicular to L2, L1 parallel to L2, L2 parallel to L3, then L1 parallel to L3. So transitive. So it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore, it is a equivalence relation. Which one? If they give set of parallel lines. Question number 40. What is 40? Signum function, modulus function, signum function and greatest integer function. They are neither 1 nor onto. So check, here is also signum function. So direct you can write it is neither 1 nor onto. How? Hege andre nodi. Signum function is defined as -1 0 1 x less than 0 x equals 0 x greater than 0. This is the definition of signum function. It is not a 1 because why? Take only first one, -1 when x less than 0. So x equals -1 less than 0, the function is -1. X equals -2, here -2 less than 0, therefore take first function, the value is -1. Different objects have same image, therefore it is not 1. Next, onto. Onto means this is the range, -1 0 1. Here codomain, the codomain is R. So codomain is not equal to range, therefore it is not onto. So option neither 1 nor onto. Yes. Question number 41. A function f n to y given by f of n equals n square, where y equals n square, that is belongs n subset of n, then the inverse is. These are 5 marks question for PU board, means board exam. These are very important for 5 marks question. These 5 marks question we have to do for CET for 1 mark. Therefore, CET coaching is must necessary. CET coaching ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಥಿಯರಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಗ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 60 ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿತಿನ್ 70 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ CET ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಲುಕ್ ಪುರಾಣ ಬೇಡ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಬೇಡ. ಟೇಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎನ್ನು ಬೇಡ, ಟೇಕ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ CET, ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಫ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ರೈಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ವೈ root n, because n is n, that is root n. That's all. So option A. Question number 42. The function f all to -5 infinity given by f of x equals 9x square plus 6x minus 5. The inverse is, we have to calculate the inverse. Again this is 5 marks question, so we have to do for 1 marks within 1 minute. So how? So better f of x means y. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು 2 ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಟೈಪ್ ನೋಡಿ. Call that f of x equals y. Y equals 9x square plus 6x minus 5. This one can be done as modified 3x plus 1 whole square. Expansion 9x square plus 1 plus 3 to the plus is there. So plus 6x minus 5 become minus 6. So minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. This is y. Shift y plus 6 equals 3x plus 1 whole square. Square is there. Apply root. Root of y plus 6 equals 3x plus 1. We get only x. 3x. 3x equals root of y plus 6 plus 1 become minus 1. Only x. We need x. Root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. So option A. Nothing but x means nothing but inverse, f inverse. So option A. Root of y plus 6 minus 1. This is one method. Second method is there. What second method? Go through with options. Option go giga. Take first option. So root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3 equal to x, means f inverse. F inverse means x. So cross multiply. Root of y plus 6 minus 1 equals 3x square. Y plus 6 equals 3x plus 1 whole square, means root cancel. Now expansion. So 9x square plus 1 plus 6x, that is y plus 6 equals 9x square plus 6x, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 9x square plus 6x minus 5. You got the function. Therefore option A is correct. ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಅದು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 43. f of x equals x square plus 4, that is y equals x square plus 4. We required only inverse. So inverse means find out x. X square equals y, shift minus 4, x equals root of y minus 4. Root of y minus 4, option A. That's all. 4. The function f minus 1 to 1 to r given by, this is x by x plus 2. So y equals x by x plus 2. We have to calculate inverse as cross multiply. Xy plus 2y equals x. Find x. So xy shift minus x, shift minus 2y. X common, remaining y minus 1 equals minus 2y. X equals multiply by minus 2y divided by multiply by minus 1 minus y. 2y divided by 1 minus y, option B. This is 4y by 4 minus 3y. This is 3y by 3 minus 3y. That is 2y by 1 minus y, option B. Question number 45. F n to n, right? F of n equals n plus 1 by 2. F of n means y, whatever f of x equals y plus, n plus 1 by 2. F of n when n is odd number. Next, second function, n is even, that is n by 2. Even means f of n equals n by 2. This is the question. So natural number means n equals 1. F of 1 equals 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, 1. N equals 2, odd number, we have to give only odd number, not 2. N equals 3. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2, 2. N equals 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 by 2, 3. It is only even numbers. So n equals 2, n equals 2, 2 by 2, 1, that is y. N equals even number 4, 4 by 2, 2. Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Object different, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. Objects are different, but image are repeated, means same. This not 1, 1. 1, 1 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Next take onto. Onto means here nodi. That is n. N means what? Natural number, that is codomain. Here range 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means it is also natural number. There is also natural number. Elements of codomain equals range. Therefore, it is onto function. So, it is not 1, 1, but onto function. That is option D. Next question, 46. Last question of relation and function. So, the function f n to y given by f of x equals 4x plus 3. Inverse, we have to calculate inverse. So do yourself. There is no option, you have to write the answer.